Hey there everybody, this is Joel over at Decal Girl, and today we're going to take a quick look at our brand new Create Your Own Skin interface and try to answer some common questions that people might have about it. So the first step naturally is to get to our website at decalgirl.com, and once you've gotten there, you can go to our main menu here. Third one over, there's a link that's named Create Your Own. You want to go ahead and click on that, and that'll pull up the interface here. You'll see this beta tag. The only reason that's there is because this is very much a version 1 product for us. There's a lot of stuff we wanted to add in that we didn't, and we know that there's a version 2 coming soon. We just don't know when. So we decided to get this out there to you guys, and just call it our beta phase for now. This page that you see, this is the choose an item type page, and that's exactly what you're going to do here. You can see we've got supported devices up top: mobile phones, laptops, tablets, game consoles, and media players. And each one of these is a tab or a link. When you click on it, down below you'll see the actual devices that are supported. And we know that this is light right now. We know that we're missing a couple things. That's on purpose. We decided to focus on our more popular items, like the iPad, like the Kindle, the iPhones, and the Galaxy S3, just to get this out there. That being said, as the weeks go on, we're going to be adding more stuff in here. So if you don't see your device yet, don't panic. We're still loading stuff. So today we're going to work on getting a MacBook Retina 15 skinned. So we're going to click on laptops and scroll down here to Retina display, inner and outer. Click on that. As soon as you hit that link to upload an image, there's an alert here that pops up about intellectual property rights. And at Decal Girl, it is important for us to respect the rights of others, and it's also a very easy policy to understand. Basically, if you don't own the rights to reproduce an image, logo, or artwork, don't upload it here. That means no sports teams logos, no company logos, no clothing logos, no branding of any kind that you don't own the rights to reproduce. The other stuff that we don't want to see people uploading here, anything that's pornographic or sexual in nature, racism, racist themes, or anything homophobic. That kind of stuff isn't cool, and we don't want to see anything like that uploaded. If you do decide to go ahead and upload something like that, understand that we've got people here that are manually vetting every image that comes in, and we'll know. You're either going to get a call or an email from customer service saying, "Hey, look, you can't use this image." So please don't do that. Now, as far as the stuff that you can use, the stuff that you can upload, any pictures that you've taken, or pictures that you have permission to use, pictures of your cat, pictures of your kids, pictures of your grandmother, those are all perfectly fine. That's the kind of stuff we want to see here. If you're a graphic designer and you run your own small business, you got a logo that you want to put on a laptop or a phone, totally cool. If you know your way around Photoshop or any other image editor and you want to make a custom design with your favorite saying, go ahead, have at it. That's the kind of thing that we want people to upload here. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and upload a photograph that I took a couple years ago now. This is a friend of mine, Burr, down at the jetty surfing. And depending on the size of your image, it's going to take a couple seconds here to upload it. You'll see down here the status processing. And it should take just another couple seconds creating the design. Okay, so there we are. We're in the main, this is the main editing screen. And there's not a whole lot to it. We tried real hard to make it as simple and as easy as possible for people to use. So starting at the top here, give this a name. Very self-explanatory. If you wanted to name your project, all you got to do is highlight that text, type in whatever you want. Name this Burr Gets Barreled. Nope, I think that's spelled right. There you go. Enter. So that's the name of my custom skinning project. In the future, I think we're going to be able to share these skins with other people. So it's always good to have them named so that they know who it is and where they came from. If you need to change that name, you can click on the pencil tool and it'll let you change that to whatever you want. Moving right along here, this is how you change the size of your image. These little grabby handles on the corners here and the little dots will let you rotate it. You can go all the way around if you want, and you can make it bigger or smaller or wherever, and you can just place it by clicking and dragging. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out was that if you go off the screen here and you get yourself in trouble and you want to resize it bigger than that, you got this button down here that's named Toggle Full Screen Mode. If you hit that, it gives you a lot more space to work with. This is how I prefer to do any type of custom skin in here, because it'll let you move around kind of unfettered, and it's a lot easier with that amount of room. So good to know that's the full screen toggle. In the lower left, we've got this button that says make the artwork fit, and it does exactly what it says. If you want your artwork to fit the outline of the device that you're skinning, just go ahead and hit this button and bang, it'll resize it to fit. This one that looks like two images, change or upload artwork. That'll let you swap out this image with any other one from your hard drive that you want. If you don't like this one, you can swap it out that way. These two buttons down here, this is the side of the device you're working on. This is the outer lid for the laptop and the inner tray. So if we wanted to move to the inner tray, I'd hit that. If it was an iPhone, this would be the front face. This would be the back face. Same thing with an iPad, front and back. Lets you flip sides. Basically, that's the editor in a nutshell. We're going to do the tray of the laptop next. And again, you'll get hit with the intellectual property right agreement. You also have the option here to go ahead and use the exact same artwork that you used on the last screen if you want to. It's just an easy shortcut, that black button. But we don't want to do that. We want to upload a new image. So I'm going to agree to the terms here and hit upload. And I'm going to pick one that's big on purpose to show you what happens when you hit one that's more than 10 megabytes. Unfortunately, that's the limit right now. It's 10 megabytes. If you've got an image that's bigger than 10 megabytes, got to downsize it. I guess now would also be a good time to kind of go over the quote-unquote recommended image sizes. Right now, we don't really have any. And the best way to think about this is to think about it like you're printing a photograph at the same size of the device that you're looking to skin. And what I mean by that is, think of an iPhone and the physical dimensions of an iPhone, and then think about a 4-inch by 6-inch photograph. If you were going to print out a 4x6 photograph at 300 dpi, that would probably cover an iPhone pretty adequately. So if you did that for an iPhone, you should be good. For a tablet, 8x12 at 300 dpi should cover you. Laptops are a little bit trickier, but as a rule of thumb, 11x17 at 300 dpi, I think that would probably cover a laptop pretty well. So those are just some recommended rule of thumb kind of sizes. We're going to be coming up with a web page in the very near future that actually has the resolution and image sizes on it. So hang in there. We're getting there. Moving right along, we'll get rid of this size warning and we'll pick an image that actually fits. Let's choose this one here. Kind of a plain beachy scene for the keyboard tray, because keyboard trays are kind of a weird shape. You don't want to have anything in here that's important because you're not going to see it because the keyboard's there. So you can move it, you can rotate it, you can change it. Same exact controls as the last screen. I like doing the make the artwork fit, and looks good to me. So we're going to go ahead and preview this, and that's what your laptop skin is going to look like. Down here on the left, we've got different social icons. You can click on these to share with your friends: Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+. If you need to change any of this stuff, you can just hit keep working, and it'll take you right back to where you were before. Once you're ready and you got it where you want it. What you got to do is add it to the cart and puts it in your cart. You got your custom title over here and the details of it. If you ever need to change anything about the design, if you're looking at it and you're like, nah, you know what, I don't want that on the tray, just click on this link here and it'll take you right back into your design where you can edit it and change whatever you like. And when you're done, just add it to the cart. You're good to go. So, in a nutshell, that's Custom Skins. We hope you like it, and we hope you get some good use out of it. That's it for now. Talk to you later.